So, I made a 3D printed cup. Holds water and everything. Looks very normal, right? But if you fill it up too much, it starts emptying itself. And it will empty the entire cup.